Hey guys, welcome back to the Oklahyzer Disc Golf channel. Today we're going to take a quick look at the new Test Flight AB Cigarra. It's a modified Cicada, so we're going to be throwing that as well. And then what I tend to use in this slot is a Mantis, so we're going to be throwing that along with the other two. We're going to give them all a quick throw out on the field, see how they line up. I hope you guys enjoy.
Welcome to Oklahyzer.
Well, there you have it, the new AB Cigarra. If you are familiar with how the Cicada feels, it's very similar hand feel, almost identical, but as you saw in the video, significantly more overstable. The Cicada definitely likes to rip off to the right, and it will come back given enough height and time, but it definitely prefers to stay over to the right. Really good for long turnovers or a roller disc. And the difference between the Cicada and the Mantis is the Mantis seems to be a little bit faster, have a touch less glide, and have a bit more like lateral movement down the fairway, whereas the Cigarra is definitely just more of a flip up to flat. You know, I'd say it's about a 7-speed with a 5 to 6 glide, maybe a 0 to 0.5 turn, and then, you know, a 1.5 to 2 fade. So definitely a great compliment. All three of these discs, absolutely essential to have something like this in your bag. So I hope you guys got something out of that, and until next time, have a good one.